Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to charge Bentley Continental GT battery. Turn off the ignition and remove keys, then open the hood and locate the battery cover panel. Inspect terminals for corrosion and clean with a baking soda paste and brush if needed. Use a charger compatible with the battery type and set to the manufacturer recommended amperage. Ensure good ventilation and keep flames and sparks away while charging the battery. Begin by selecting a smart charger and matching its voltage to the battery specification, then set the charging current to a gentle rate. Attach the positive clamp to the positive terminal and the negative clamp to a clean metal ground point away from the battery. Start the charger and monitor voltage and temperature, watching for stable voltage near battery full charge. Once charged, turn off the charger before removing clamps to avoid sparks or damage to electronics. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical Bentley tips. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes post-maintenance cleanup effortless with voice control and smart mapping, so you can focus on service, not sweeping. It's great for garages and detailing areas, and it even handles pet hair and fine dust from brake work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After charging, disconnect the charger, then allow the battery to rest for a few minutes and measure the open circuit voltage with a multimeter. Reattach the negative terminal last, tightening to the correct torque, and replace any covers or panels removed earlier. Start the car and observe the dashboard for normal operation and no battery or alternator warnings. Then consider a short drive to let the alternator maintain full charge and confirm consistent electrical performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.